Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TLV Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra, so let's start with today's session. Imagine holding a single drop of water on your fingertip. It looks tiny, simple, almost unimportant. But that drop has the power to grow crops, quench thirst, generate electricity, support wildlife, and sustain entire civilizations. Now imagine a world where even that drop is uncertain. That is exactly why SDG 6 exists. In this masterclass, we will explore why water is the most valuable resource on earth, why billions of people still lack clean water and sanitation, how poor hygiene spreads deadly diseases, and how technologies, communities, and governments can solve water scarcity. You will learn real stories, global challenges, simple explanations, and powerful solutions. By the end, you will understand how we can still achieve SDG 6 by 2030 and why our small actions matter more than you think. Now, what SDG 6 really means? Clean water and sanitation. Simply, SDG 6 is about ensuring that every person on the planet has access to clean drinking water, safe sanitation, and proper hygiene. It also aims to protect rivers, lakes, groundwater, and ecosystems. In simple words, SDG 6 means clean water, clean toilets, and a clean environment for everyone. The goal includes 6 main targets: providing safe drinking water, ensuring sanitation and hygiene, improving water quality, using water efficiently, protecting water ecosystems, and supporting communities with water infrastructure. Everything is connected. When water is safe, health improves. When sanitation is good, diseases drop. When ecosystems are protected, communities thrive. The global water crisis. Understanding the scale of the problem. The world is facing a massive water crisis. Over 771 million people still do not have access to clean drinking water, and more than 1.7 billion people lack safe toilets. Over 2 million people die every year due to diseases caused by contaminated water. Water is unevenly distributed because of geography, rainfall patterns, population pressure, poor infrastructure, and weak governance. Some places have abundant rivers, while others remain dry for months. In many parts of the world, women and children walk long distances every day to fetch water. Meanwhile, climate change is increasing droughts and shrinking water resources. Every 2 minutes, a child dies somewhere due to dirty water. This makes SDG 6 not just important, but urgent for humanity. Water, health, and sanitation. Why dirty water makes us sick? Dirty water is one of the biggest enemies of public health. It spreads diseases like cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, typhoid, and even polio. These diseases spread faster in communities where there are no toilets, where people practice open defecation, where water is stored in unsafe containers, and where hygiene is poor. Something as simple as hand washing with soap can save millions of lives and reduce infections drastically. This is why water, sanitation, and hygiene is at the heart of SDG 6. Clean water prevents disease, sanitation stops contamination, and hygiene breaks the cycle of infection. Now, water and women. How water impacts women's lives. Women and girls are most affected by the lack of water and sanitation. In many communities, women walk long distances every day to fetch water for their families, spending hours in physically demanding labor. Girls often miss school during menstruation because their schools lack toilets or privacy. Poor sanitation facilities also expose women to risk of harassment and assault. When SDG 6 succeeds, women's safety, dignity, health, and opportunities improve automatically, paving the way for gender equality. Now, water and education. How water and toilets affect learning. Clean water and toilets in school are directly linked to better education. In schools, without toilets, children often fall sick, skip classes, or leave school entirely. Lack of clean water affects drinking, hygiene, and overall student well-being. Girls are more likely to miss school if there are no proper sanitation facilities, especially during menstruation. On the other hand, schools with clean toilets, safe drinking water, and good hygiene practices see higher attendance, better discipline, improved focus, and healthier students. Water is not just about health, it is also about ensuring every child receives an uninterrupted education. Now, climate change and water. How climate change accelerates water scarcity. Climate change is essentially a water crisis. Rising temperatures lead to more droughts, floods, unpredictable rainfall, melting glaciers, and sea level rise. These changes directly affect drinking water sources, agriculture, energy production, and ecosystems. Drought can destroy crops and force people to migrate. Floods can contaminate water bodies, damage infrastructure, and spread disease. Melting glaciers affect rivers that millions depend on. As climate patterns shift, communities must adapt quickly. Achieving SDG 6 is deeply connected to climate action, making water management a key part of surviving climate change. Now, technologies that can solve water problems. Simple, effective, and scalable solutions. Many technologies can solve water challenges if used properly. Rainwater harvesting can capture rainfall for homes, farms, and industries. Solar-powered water pumps can bring groundwater to rural areas without electricity. Desalination plants can convert seawater into drinking water for coastal cities. Water ATMs provide easy access to clean water at low cost in urban slums. Biosand filters offer cheap household-level purification. Grey water recycling helps reuse water for washing and gardening. Smart irrigation reduces water use in agriculture, which consumes over 70% of fresh water. Smart cities use sensors to detect leaks and reduce water loss. Now, what governments must do? Policy actions for a water-secure future. Governments play a major role in achieving SDG 6. They must invest heavily in rural water supply systems, ensure regular maintenance, and construct sewage treatment plants. They must enforce strict regulations to prevent industries from polluting rivers and lakes. Water subsidies should support sustainable agriculture and efficient technologies. Monitoring water quality should be a national priority. Governments should identify and protect wetlands, rivers, and groundwater recharge zones. Public awareness campaigns must be continuous and communities must be included in planning water projects. Water must be treated as a national security priority. Now, what companies must do? The role of businesses in achieving SDG 6. Businesses use large amount of water in manufacturing, agriculture, energy, and services. They must reduce water usage, recycle wastewater, and adopt cleaner production processes. Companies should invest in rainwater harvesting and water-efficient equipment. They must provide transparent reporting on their water consumption and environmental footprint. Industries must avoid polluting water sources and work with local communities to support water conservation. Water is not just an environmental issue, it is also a business risk, and companies that manage water wisely are more sustainable in the long run. Now, what you can do? Simple actions you can start today. Every individual has a role in protecting water. Turning off taps while brushing, fixing leaks, and taking shorter baths help conserve water daily. Instead of wasting drinking water for cleaning, you can use recycled or stored water. You can avoid polluting rivers, ponds, and lakes by disposing waste responsibly. Supporting water conservation groups, participating in community cleanups, and planting trees help recharge groundwater. Every small action adds up. Water is precious, and saving even a few liters a day can make a difference when millions participate collectively. Now we have a final message of hope and action for you. Water is not just a resource, it is life itself. Achieving SDG 6 is not only a global responsibility, but also a personal one. When we save water, protect water sources, and promote hygiene, we save lives, strengthen communities, and safeguard the future. The journey to SDG 6 begins with awareness, but it succeeds with action. Together, we can protect every drop and build a world where clean water and sanitation are guaranteed for all. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.